2010, Atlantis has been donating red mangroves to help restore this wetland.
They're threatened by things like deforestation, development, climate change, pollution, and efforts to restore these systems that also in turn protects us as a people.
Personally, it makes me feel very proud to be a part of an organization that takes the time to give back and sees that it's necessary and very important to be a part of these kinds of restoration projects around the Bahamas.
Atlantis has been a long-term partner with the Bahamas National Trust. This is how we are able to excel. This is how we're able to manage the parks that we are managing on behalf of the people of the Bahamas.
It goes along with our mandate of being a steward of the environment.